Cameron with MB Stone. These are the Inferno resin pads. These are pads that I worked on to create with a company here in the U.S. They're handmade in the U.S. Here, before we ship these out, the higher grits, the last 3 grits, have to get flattened because these are handmade. These are handmade in a mold that doesn't always allow for these to stay true and flat. So what we do is we have a setup in our warehouse where we actually will flatten these and make sure that they're flat. Occasionally, some will warp, or as you use them, some will warp. These are designed to be a high performance pad, but there's a little bit of maintenance. They can be a little finicky. So as long as you take care of them, keep them clean, they'll work perfect for you. So right now, this is fresh, has not been touched yet. It's got a little bit of a wobble to it. So we're gonna take that. And run it down. And now it's nice and smooth. Now we don't expect you to do this when they're new. We do this here at the shop. But if for some reason these warp, sometimes with extreme heat in the van, they are a hybrid epoxy resin type material. Over time, if you leave them unattended or don't use them often, it is possible for them to warp a little bit. And so if you experience that, get a paver or a rough concrete or something like that, and you're going to start slow and then ramp it up all the way without a ton of pressure, but firm pressure. And you can see here, this is still kind of untouched, but it wore down here and it smoothed it out. Now it's flat and we're good to go. So all of these have been pre-dressed. I've been using this set for a while, and we're going to do a little demo.